Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Barbie Clothes Pack is probably one of the most exciting additions to any Barbie collection, offering a fantastic way to expand your doll's wardrobe. With a variety of stylish outfits and accessories, this pack provides endless opportunities for imaginative play and fashion fun. Whether you're a seasoned Barbie enthusiast or new to the world of dolls, this pack promises to spark creativity and provide hours of entertainment. Number 5. Terra Toys Barbie Fashion Designer Dress-Up Kit. Unleash your inner fashion designer with this amazing kit. It allows you to create unique outfits for your Barbie doll. This kit comes with a variety of accessories. You can use ribbons and bows to add a touch of elegance to the designs. Want to make the outfits even more special? The kit includes glitter. It's a fun way to add some sparkle to the clothes. Besides ribbons, bows, and glitter, there are other fun accessories. They will help you create a wide range of stylish looks. This fashion kit is made in the United States. It's a great way to enjoy designing clothes for your Barbie doll. What we like? This kit lets you design unique outfits. You can add ribbons, bows, and glitter to create personalized looks. If you're looking for a creative outlet for your child, this is a fantastic choice. It encourages imagination and hands-on fun. What people say. The clothes fit the Barbie dolls perfectly. The outfits are well made and stylish. The variety of clothing options is great. Number 4. E-TING 11.5-inch girl doll clothes and shoes. These fun sets are perfect for mixing and matching. Collect them all for endless combinations and excitement. It will satisfy your kids' dressing fun. Each purchase includes a leather jacket set, for casual wear sets, and 10 pairs of shoes, all designed for an 11.5-inch doll. Please note that the doll is not included. This timeless collection will expand your doll's wardrobe. Half the fun is having clothes to dress them in, and these outfits can pair well with items you already have. Give these outfits to little girls for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. Young girls of all ages will love them, making them a great addition to any doll collection. Carefully crafted by hand, this collection is stitched and sewed with utmost care. You can be assured of its quality and durability. Made for children ages 36 months and up, these clothes are made with safe and non-toxic materials. They are produced in strict accordance with safety standards. What we like? This set offers a variety of outfits, including leather jackets and casual wear. It's perfect for endless combinations and dressing up fun. If you want to expand your doll's wardrobe with diverse styles, this collection is a great pick. It is also made with safe and non-toxic materials. What people say. The clothes are well made and fit the Barbie dolls perfectly. The variety of outfits is great, offering different styles for various occasions. The accessories included add to the play value and allow for creative storytelling. Number 3. BARWA 112 PCS Doll Clothes and Accessories Set. This amazing set includes over 110 pieces. It features a variety of dresses, tops, pants, and accessories, perfect for any occasion. Your dolls will be ready for anything with this collection. Looking for a great gift? This set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It comes in a beautifully designed box, making it a special present. It's sure to fill their doll's closet. From party dresses to casual outfits, this set has it all. The addition of wings to the swimsuit allows the doll to become a fairy. It offers endless possibilities for imaginative play. Designed with elastic materials and self-adhesive closures, the clothes are easy for kids to manage. This allows children to dress their dolls independently. The high-quality, handmade construction ensures durability. This set encourages children to express their creativity through fashion. Kids can dress up their dolls and create their own stories. Parents can also join in the fun, promoting bonding and imaginative play. What we like? This set includes a wide array of dresses, tops, pants, and accessories. It allows for versatile styling for various occasions. If you like to have a complete wardrobe for your doll, this set is a great choice. It is also designed with elastic material and self-adhesive design, easy to use. What people say. The clothes are well made and fit the Barbie dolls perfectly. The variety of outfits is great, offering different styles for various occasions. The accessories included add extra fun and allow for creative styling. Number 2. Miunana Boy Doll Clothes and Accessories Set. This fantastic set includes a classic black suit and various casual wear items. It also comes with shoes and accessories. It's perfect for dressing up your boy doll. Inside, you'll find a complete black suit, several casual tops, and even swim trunks. There are also fashionable shoes, water bottles, and a laptop. This set has everything needed for fun. These clothes and accessories offer a variety of options for your doll. Kids can mix and match to create different looks, sparking their creativity and imagination. The products are made with safe, non-toxic materials and meet EU safety standards. They're designed to be easy to put on and take off, ensuring a safe playtime experience. This set makes a great gift for Children's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of fun and imagination to little girls and teens with this wonderful set. The clothes are designed with elastic materials for easy wear and washing. They are handmade with good quality, and all items are triple-checked for sewing quality. What we like? This set includes a classic black suit and various accessories. It allows for a variety of different costumes. If you are looking for a gift for little girls and teens, this is a great choice. The materials are also safe and non-toxic. What people say? The clothes fit the Barbie dolls perfectly. The outfits are well made and stylish. The variety of clothing pieces allows for many different outfit combinations. Number 1. Barbie Jurassic World Fashion Pack. This Barbie fashion pack is inspired by Jurassic World. It comes with everything your doll needs for a day of dino-themed fun. It's perfect for sparking imaginations. This set includes a crop top, mini skirt, and ankle boots. There are also fun accessories like a clutch, headband, and sunglasses. These items will enhance playtime. Some accessories have handles that the doll can hold for active role play. Mix and match these pieces with other Barbie clothes. It encourages storytelling. You can mix and match with other Barbie doll clothing and accessories. Each sold separately, subject to availability. This allows for endless creative possibilities. The reusable vinyl bag is great for storage and on-the-go fun. You can fill it with the accessories, carry it around, and even decorate it. It's a great way for self-expression. What we like? This fashion pack is inspired by Jurassic World and includes a crop top, skirt, and accessories. It's perfect for themed play and storytelling. If you like the Jurassic World theme, this is a great choice. The reusable bag is also a plus for storage and customization. What people say? I like that the clothes feel like fabric, not the plastic stuff we sometimes get. I think it's nice we get a set of purses and necklaces we can interchange. The top and skirt have Velcro closure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.